Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare Caesar salad lettuce. First, choose 2 to 3 fresh, crisp heads of romaine lettuce. Look for vibrant green leaves without any brown spots. Next, carefully remove any outer leaves that appear damaged or wilted. These leaves can be tough and bitter, so discarding them ensures a better salad experience. Finally, separate the individual leaves from the core, preparing them for the next steps. Now, let's move on to washing your lettuce thoroughly. Rinse each leaf individually under cool, running water to remove any visible dirt or debris. For an even deeper clean, submerge all the leaves in a large bowl of cold water for about 5 minutes. Gently agitate the water with your hands to help dislodge any hidden grit. This ensures your lettuce is perfectly clean and ready for consumption. Drying the lettuce properly is a crucial step for a delicious Caesar salad. Excess water will dilute your dressing, making it less flavorful. The most efficient method is using a salad spinner. Spin the leaves in 2 or 3 batches until they are completely dry. If you don't have a spinner, gently pat each leaf dry with clean paper towels. Aim for absolutely no moisture remaining on the leaves. Finally, let's prepare your lettuce for serving and discuss storage. Tear or chop the dried leaves into bite-sized pieces, roughly 1 to 2 inches in size. This makes the salad easier to eat and ensures the dressing coats every piece. Avoid chopping the lettuce too far in advance, as it can lose its crispness. For storage, place the prepared lettuce in an airtight container with a damp paper towel for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.